Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change the trade settings into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change the trade settings, you just simply have to open any of your browser into desktop site. I'm opening Chrome browser, and after that open the site of bitget.com and log in your account. And after opening the site, you just simply have to tap into your profile. Just simply tap into your profile, and as you can see here, you will get this option of settings. Just simply tap to settings option. And after coming into settings, you will get to see a bunch of options. And if you scroll down a bit, you will get this option of trade settings. Now into the trade settings, you will get this options of quantity unit, cost value and nominal value. Now you just simply have to select any of those options. Just simply select any of those and your trade setting will be changed. This way you can easily change the trade setting into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.